Hi everyone, I'm Archana. I'm working as an assistant manager in Sobha Limited. So today we are here in Sobha Town Park. It's an integrated township project. It's a bang on the national highway of Hosur Road. Okay, while crossing to the electronic city toll, after electronic city, it will take 4 to 5 kilometers. Left hand side, you see a beautiful project. It's a New York theme based project of a Sobha Town Park. Today I'll show you our one model apartment. It's a 2 BHK, 841 square feet in Sobha Town Park. This is our main entrance. You can see our living cum dining area. Okay, and in this 2 BHK, 841 square feet, you are getting one balcony. It's a spacious balcony. So the balcony is attached to your living area. Okay, after that you can come here. The first bedroom, it's going to call as a children's bedroom. Okay, so you are getting a bay window as well. So throughout the day, you will get the perfect sunlight and the wind as well from your outside. Okay, so after this is our kitchen area. Kitchen is completely, it's a like version kitchen. Okay, so you can see the taps, fittings, and the window quality wise. Okay, this is our Sobha own brand. It's called PNC brand. Okay, and this window we made in our factory. If quality wise, if I'll tell you, Sobha is a number one quality and construction wise and on time delivery. And there is one washroom, that is with the common washroom. It will be for your guest persons. Then after that, if we come here, this is our main bedroom. Okay, main bedroom, spacious one with the queen size bed, and there is one washroom that is attached, and washroom will be fully furnished. I hope you liked our model apartment. For more information, please contact us the number given below. Thank you.